Hey everyone, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator. And in the past few months I've seen a lot of changes in the 3D printing community and I'm observing it and I'm thinking, well, what's going on here? I'll explain a few things to you. First, I saw that a lot of people are now being afraid of what is going to happen with them on YouTube. You have the bigger channels and they all have a lot of subscribers and a lot of view time and they don't have to worry. But there is also a group of smaller YouTubers that don't have the 1,000 subscribers or don't have the required amount of watch hours and that kind of things, and they are now afraid they will be demonetized. And I'm sure there is a reason why they are afraid, and it's not because of the money, because when you're a small YouTuber then you don't earn that much money. For example, I've got almost 3,000 subscribers now, and I earn about 20-30 euros a month on my YouTube channel. So it's not about the money, but it's about how YouTube is going to behave when you're a small channel. Will you be pushed forward when people are looking for your type of content? Will you be found in the search engine? That kind of things. And this is a real concern, and I can understand this very, very good. Now, another thing is the business model of some YouTube channels. Some YouTubers are big enough to have a good business model. They earn money from YouTube. It's not that much, but they earn some money from YouTube. They have sponsors from which they can earn money. They have Patreon subscribers from which they can earn money. That kind of things. And nowadays I also see that some YouTubers are creating their own channels, and on that way you can subscribe to their channel or website or that kind of things. And I also think this is very good, because you keep people near you, and everything that is done to make a group of people your own group of people is always good, and I like this. The thing is that there is also another way to look at it. For example, I support a lot of YouTubers by Patreon. I really like that a lot of YouTubers are doing their best to inform me, and therefore I think it's worth it to help them. So I have a few people that I support on Patreon, and also some people that when they are going live, for example, then I pay €5, €10 or 20 euros just because I like what they are doing. So I pay in their live stream. Now, when you're structural paying someone, like for example to become a member of their website or to become a Patreon supporter or that kind of things, then I think it's very normal to do this in a small amount of money. Like for example €1, €2 or dollars or maybe 5, but small amounts. And the reason why I think this is pretty normal is when I take a look at a magazine, just a magazine that I can find in the shops. Then when I'm taking a look at that magazine, then there are 40 articles or 80 articles, or there are a big number of articles. And I pay for this magazine about €5, €6, €7, something like that. Then for that money, on a monthly basis, I get that much articles, and I don't like every single one of them. Sometimes I have a magazine and I like 5 articles, and sometimes I have a magazine and I like 10 articles. But the thing is that I'm paying for something in paper, in this case, where a community of people, the writers, are giving giving content to me. So I may not like every bit of content that's in that magazine, but there are numerous articles that I can find in that magazine for that price. And I think this is a thing that is missing out on this moment on YouTube, in the 3D printing community, etc. So what I am willing to do here is I registered a website, a domain, and that domain is 3dmakercommunity.com. On this domain, I will give access to people who like to be part of this community, so that there is one website, like a magazine. There is one magazine, there is one website, there is one place where people can find their content. So if you are a maker, if you are a YouTuber, if you are a blogger, or whatever you do which has to do with 3D printing and with creation of things that are nice, then this community is something for you. I will make a website. It's not there yet. I'm thinking about how I'm going to make it and how I'm going to do it. But it will be a website on which you will have access as a maker, as a editor, to make your own articles. This means that if you, for example, if you are a YouTube creator, this means that you can link your own YouTube on that website. So you will earn the commission from YouTube. It also means that I'm going to give you access to a way to have a commercial, a banner, on that same page. And you have to make sure that it's your banner, because I'm only giving you the space on the website, and you can have that commercial and it can be your commercial. So on that way, it's possible for you to have a revenue from that website. I'm going a bit further. I am not going to post any ads of myself there. So it's not that I'm going to benefit from your work as a creator, because I just want this to be one big community, and I want to make it very easy for other people to find all this great content of all those great YouTubers that you are. YouTubers or bloggers or people that make things, that kind of thing. So it's really a place where we can all unite, but your content stays your content, and you are the owner. You are the only one who is having the rights to that content, and you are also the only one that's going to make money out of it if you want to. If you monetized your videos and if you monetized your ad at Google, then you can have your ad playing there. Or if you have a deal with whatever kind of company, then you can have the ad to that company on that website under your article. There is only one catch. You have to make at least one article a month. At least one article a month. So this means that you have to write 12 articles a month or make videos or whatever on that website. And the other thing is that we have to be with at least, I think, 10, 15 people. More is always better, but at least 10 to 15 people that are going to do it this way. Because there has to be enough content on the website to attract other people and, well, to visit that page. You are completely allowed to make links to your own websites, to your own YouTube, to your own blogs. You are completely allowed to make models for subscribing to your channel, so you can grow your channel. That kind of things, because I think we have to help each other, and this is a way how we can help each other. Now, I want to have your ideas on this. Would you like it? Would you be willing to get into this adventure and start this channel? I already registered, what a difficult word is it, the domain name. And I've not written any code yet. I've not been making the page yet. Well, we have to do it when I know it's worth it. But I'm really into it, and I really would like to do this. And we can do this with smaller channels. We can do this with bigger channels as well. So also the real big channels that are out there can benefit from this, because they also belong to this great community. They started this great community. So the thing is that I'm really into making something for us as a group. And yeah, I like to do this. I like to take this on me, but not if I'm alone. I will do this with a group of people that yeah, that like the idea, that understand that it's for the bigger thing of it. So what are your ideas? And please let them know in the links down below, in the comments down below. Also, you can email me. I'm the 3D print creator, so you can mail me at info@3d-printcreator.com. And well, let me know your thoughts about this, because I really think this can be something, yeah, something nice. Also, there will be questions like, why not on Facebook? There are a lot of groups on Facebook. Why don't you do this on Facebook? Well, I think Facebook is a great add-on. And there are already really good communities on Facebook, but there are also so many people that don't like Facebook. The same goes for Reddit, the same goes for Twitter. There are so many people that don't like it, and this website is just a way to connect all those channels together. So you can link that Facebook page in your article. You can link to your Reddit in that article. You can link to whatever you like in that article. There is only one thing that I think is very important. Those articles have to be positive to the community. They have to have a positive vibe. So this is my thought, and well, I hope to hear from you and hear from you what you like and what you think the benefits for you could be, because I think there is a lot of benefits for all of us, and yeah, help me out. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see your comments down below. Bye bye! If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the channel, then consider subscribing to it. If you do, please don't forget to hit that bell button, otherwise you won't be notified every time I make a new video. If you want to support this channel financially, then you can find the links to Patreon in the description down below. If you have a question, leave a comment under this video on YouTube. You can also visit my website at 3d-printcreator.com. Thanks for watching.